Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So in this video I'll try to do the PUBG battery drain test on this MI11X device, as you can see friends. So this is a third battery drain test which I am doing non-stop continuously. So as friends, even without sleeping for some time, I did in the night time with the YouTube battery drain test as well. Even that video is going to come very soon. And yesterday I did upload by playing the PUBG game for 6 hours non-stop, I think for 5 hours non-stop. And even today I'll be playing this PUBG game but with different settings non-stop friends. So make sure to subscribe and also hit that like button. As I said, the likes target for this video will be 500 likes, so make sure to hit that like target as well. And this is a question which was asked by one of my subscriber and plenty of other subscribers as well, asking to do this kind of using different settings, Wi-Fi and smooth and extreme settings graphics. So that's why I decided to do this kind of settings as well. And every time I get a comment, I'll try to take the screenshot, and if possible I'll try to make a video on that particular topic on the same day itself. So that is how I uploaded more than 100 videos on each and every smartphone and 300 plus videos on this POCO X3 device, because I got plenty of support and plenty of comments, plenty of feedback. So that's how it's possible for me to make so many videos on each and every smartphone. If you check my history, there are 3 smartphones which are close to 300 plus videos. So let's see friends, if you're having any other queries, so make sure to comment below. If that video is not present in the playlist, then I'll try to make a video on that particular topic. So let's begin with this kind of test, which is the Wi-Fi 60% brightness and smooth and extreme settings. So let's see how many hours we can actually play this kind of game using this kind of settings and with 60 Hz refresh rate. So these are the few settings which I'll try to use right now in this phone. So let me try to quickly show you friends. First let me try to choose the 60 Hz display. 60 Hz display is selected, and with the Wi-Fi connection, so Wi-Fi is also connected right now. So let me try to disable the mobile data, but there is a SIM in the phone, so I'll be just using the Wi-Fi connection only. So make sure to subscribe to my channel friends. As I said, I do need a lot of subscribers in the future, definitely to get the review units and to make plenty of videos in the future. I need to reach that kind of high subscriber count very soon. So make sure to share my videos with your friends as well, in case if they are planning to buy any kind of smartphones. So definitely my videos will be kind of very much helpful for them as well. So right now the battery percent is 100% charge, and let me try to change the settings to the smooth and extreme settings. So smooth and extreme settings I'm trying to change. So smooth and extremes, so settings has been successfully changed, and here is a chart which is ready. So let me try to get my earphones. So this is a real-time FPS meter which I'm trying to use right now, which will show you the temperature readings in the beginning as well, and the real-time FPS statistics, as you can see friends. So I did a video on this one, how to actually get the real-time FPS meter in your smartphone. So make sure to check that video in case if you don't know how to set up this kind of real-time feedback. So right now let me try to start the game and start the stopwatch as well. So stopwatch has been begun, and let me try to select the brightness to 60%. As I said, I'm trying to decrease to 60%. So this is a kind of 50, I would say. Maybe this is a kind of 60%. It should be kind of okay. So let's see friends, with the 60% brightness I'm trying to play, and there is no AC at all and turn on at the moment in my room. Temperature, as you can see right now, my room temperature is of close to only 30 degrees at the moment. So only one small fan is turned on the top. So room temperature will not affect this kind of performance level as well. That is another thing you need to know. So next is that, let me try to show you friends. Right now the temperature of the phone in the beginning is of 37 degrees, as you can see. 37, 38 right now in the beginning of testing. On the back side 38 near the camera area, 38 degrees. So let me try to connect the earphones as well. So these are the Samsung earphones which I'm trying to use, type C earphones. So while connection, so let's see friends, in the first 1 hour how much the battery will be able to drain if you're using the Wi-Fi connection, 60% brightness and smooth and extreme settings. So I'm very curious to see how many hours you can actually play the game in this phone. So in case if you want to know about the 4G results, so make sure to check that video, you will understand a lot. So make sure to hit that like button friends, because as I said, it takes 6 hours non-stop playing this kind of game, so which will also increase my stress levels. But after seeing the comments, positive comments, definitely I'll feel a lot of happy. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts as well meanwhile. So again I'll be back friends after the 1 hour of playing this kind of game in this phone, and I'll update you how I'm going with this phone as well. And volume I'm trying to use up to maybe 40% of the volume, not the 50%. So 40% of the volume I'm trying to use. So overall, the usage of this phone is really good, friends. I'm trying to play the PUBG game for the past few days, and it was really good experience using this kind of game. So no issues. Even I did a PUBG gameplay test while using the screen recording and playing at same time. So make sure to check that video in case if you're interested to know how the phone is performing. So I'm going to be back after 1 hour of continuously playing the PUBG game, and then we can discuss battery percentage and temperature readings. I'll try to remove this real-time FPS meter because I can even see the real-time FPS meter on the top as well, which is present there. So I'm going to be back after 1 more hour. As you can see, friends, right now it's been close to 1 hour of playing the PUBG game continuously with the Wi-Fi settings and with the 60% brightness and with the smooth and extreme settings. So let me try to quickly show you the battery statistics, how much it is right now. So here's the battery results, friends. As you can see, the battery dropped to the 89%. So from 1 hour of playing the PUBG game continuously, 89%. So the battery is a little bit saving if you are playing the PUBG game with the smooth and extreme settings. So if you use the HDR plus extreme settings, the battery definitely it will get drained. But with the smooth and extreme settings, I do feel the battery is not draining much at the moment. But let's see, friends, what will be the results for the next few hours as well. That is going to be pretty much interesting thing to test in this phone. So and right now the temperature reading, let me try to test right now how much the temperature is of. Temperature is of 42 degrees. As you can see, 42 degrees at the moment. Even the back side as well, in the camera area, even temperature is not increasing a lot. So let me try to write down the readings. The battery percentage is of 99% and the temperature reached up to maximum 42 degrees. So this is with the smooth and extreme settings, friends. You need to remember that. So if you use the HDR settings, then the results might be different. But with these settings, you are getting really good battery backup at the moment. So with this race, I think if this is going to be like this, the phone will be able to reach even 6 hours of mark as well. So let's see, friends, what will be the results are. And meanwhile, even the gameplay is also looking pretty good. So no issues in terms of the frame rates and FPS drop as well. So let me try to show you. As you can see, the real-time FPS, so there is no issues at all. I was able to get a 60 FPS continuously without any kind of problem, as you can see, friends. So I'm going to be back after next 1 more hour. So we'll be able to know how the results after next 1 hour. As you can see, friends, right now it's been exactly 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game. So in the first 1 hour, I did not observe much kind of battery drain. But right now, let me try to show you, friends, what is the results of the battery draining right now. So it's about 76%, as you can see, friends, after 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game. So this for the 2 hours non-stop playing PUBG game only, as you can see here. So PUBG game, so you can clearly see, friends. So let me try to write down the readings as well. So it is a PUBG game. So let me try to write down the readings for the 2 hours. Battery dropped to 76%, and let's check the temperature reading, how much the phone is right now. 41 degrees. So overall it's trying to be always above of 40 only. So 41 on the front side, and near the camera area also 40 degrees. So let me try to write down the 41 degrees. So if you're using with the smooth and extreme settings, friends, definitely this helping in terms of the not making the phone very high as well, and even it's also making the phone to be with more battery efficiency as well. That is what I did notice little bit, but not much. So this is with the 60% brightness I'm trying to use right now. And again, I'll be back, friends, after continuously 3 hours of playing. We'll get to know how much is the battery got drained in the first 3 hours of charging the phone as well. So meanwhile, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, and also don't forget to check the links in description. So again, I'll be back, friends, after 3 hours of non-stop continuously recording. So as you can see, friend, it's been exactly 3 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in this phone, and let me try to show you what is the battery percentage and the temperature, how much the phone reached. So let me try to go to the settings, and is the battery settings. So right now the battery percentage reached up to 62%, as you can see, friends, clearly. 62% for the first 3 hours of playing the game. So overall the battery is not draining a lot, I would definitely say. So in terms of playing the game, if you're using the smooth and extreme settings, so if you use the HDR settings, maybe the battery drained a lot, but now the temperature is also remaining around exactly 40 degrees. So there is not much change happening at the moment, even in the temperature as well. So I'm going to be back, friends, after 1 more hour of playing the game continuously. So let me try to write down the readings. So 62%, and the temperature is about 40 degrees right now, so not much. So 62% and the 40 degrees. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech, and don't forget to check the links in description as well for more videos which are uploaded. Again, I'll be back after 1 more hour. As you can see friends, right now it's been 4 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in this mobile phone, and let me try to show you what is the battery statistics in this phone at the moment. The battery statistics is about 47%, as you can clearly see friends, 47%. So I was playing continuously the phone toward that time. So let me try to quickly go to the game player. So battery percentage is 47%, and the temperature, let me try to test here, is of 42 degrees at the moment, 42. So slightly increased but not much. 47 and 42 degrees. As you can see friends, if you continue playing with this kind of smooth and extreme settings, you'll be able to easily play for more than 6 hours without any kind of issues. I would definitely say that. So again, I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see in the another 1 hour how much the battery will be draining here. So as you can see friends, right now it's been more than 5 hours of continuously playing this PUBG game right now. Let me try to show you friends what is the battery percentage, how much it is. So let me try to be in the safe zone, so then I can try to show you the results about the battery. So let me try to open the settings and show you the results, how much it is. So right now as you can see friends, it's been 30%, it decreased to 30%. So after 5 hours of continuously playing the game, it's decreased to the 30%, as you can see. So in this case, you will be able to play the game for about a more 1 more hour, I think 1.5 hours more. So let me try to write down the readings. 30%, and the temperature is of 42 degrees, 42, 41, 42 degrees, as you can see friends. Temperature is of 42 degrees. So let's see how many more hours the phone will be taking to charge. So a lot of users are really waiting for this kind of charging test. So but using the smooth and extreme settings, it's taking a lot of time to drain as well. So again, I'll be back friends after 1 more hour. As you can see friends, right now it's been 6 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in this phone, and finally the battery reached to the below 10%. So let me try to show you friends the battery results. As you can see here, exactly. So 10%, right now it's 11%, and it's about to reach the 10%. So overall, for 6 hours, you can actually play the game using with the smooth and extreme settings and with the Wi-Fi connection, 60% brightness. So if you decrease the brightness, maybe you might get the different results overall. But let me try to quickly check the temperature reading as well. 41, 43, 44, 41.3, and back side it is 40 degrees. So overall 41 and 44 it's about. So but the temperature remains exactly always above 40 degrees from the starting to till end of the testing. So right now I decided to stop the testing friends. Sorry for that, because a lot of users, they are messaging me now just now to upload this video. So that's why I was in a hurry to make a video. So it's very much time consuming, as I said, but still they are interested to know the results as well. So that's why as a round figure, maybe you can consider you might get up to 6 hours 30 minutes. So if you still decrease the brightness, so then definitely you will get up to 6 hours 30 minutes of continuously PUBG playback is possible in this Mi11X device. That's a really good score friends, considering this kind of battery capacity, 4500 mAh of battery capacity, as you can see here. And during this time, as you can see, all the graph and everything was completely down in the straight line. As you can see, it's completely flat. So in the middle there was some little bit problem, but later on it got fixed, so no issues in the middle as well. So for 6 hours continuously straight non-stop, you can actually play the PUBG game in this Mi11X device. So make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, and don't forget to check the links in description. And thank you for watching, and also make sure to like this video, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many videos in such a short notice and as soon as possible. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.